What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I figured I would pop on the camera because I am in major need of a pamper session. And I know you guys love my little pamper sessions, but this one is special because it's a pregnancy edition. So there is some things that I do in my routine now, especially for the belly, for the bump, just to make sure I'm hydrated. A few products have to be switched out. So yeah, your girl was in need. I even might cut my hair in this video because it's gotten so bad. I do have a hair appointment in like 6 weeks, but I don't even think I can wait until, like, I'm definitely gonna obviously get a professional haircut at that time, but until then I might need a trim. Like, it's so bad, my hair, it's gotten way too long. It's like past my butt. So that's what we're doing today. I have been dying to shave my face. I don't know what it is about pregnancy. Well, it's the hormones, okay? But it has made me grow like the grossest hairs on my chin. There's a lot gonna be going on in this video today, you guys. Your girl is gonna get pampered and you guys are gonna witness it. So if you wanna come along with me and watch me pamper myself, then let's get started. So I think this video is going to be like a combo of voiceover and talk through. It's just gonna kind of depend. But yeah, so pregnancy has made me grow facial hair on my chin, which is absolutely insane. I started, like, I have these, I don't know if you guys can see them. Oh God, they're gross. Like, I can't even believe I'm putting this on the internet. Like, what am I doing with my life right now? But I talked to my doctor about them. She just, you know, they're just hormones. That's what she said. So apparently it's like normal-ish. So I literally have to pluck them like once a week. So I grab this little magnifying mirror, my handy dandy tweezer, and I go to town. Okay, so I got the most like prominent ones out, and you guys, it has been snowing all night, so I'm literally staring out my window right now into like a winter wonderland. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna take whatever oil I have on hand. This one is the Pharmacy Honey Grail. Rub it all over, and I'm gonna shave my face. I haven't shaved my face in a while, so it's needed. So I buy these little like razors on Amazon. You can also find them, I think, at like Walmart. And I literally just go to town. I have been shaving my face for years. If you guys watch my channel and keep up with me, then you know this. I've been shaving my face for years and it never grows back thicker. I know that's a question I get like all the time, but I promise you guys it does not grow back thicker. It just leaves your face so smooth and your skincare and your makeup go on so nicely. So I will always go down my neck. That's not cute. And I'll usually go right around my brow, like very close. Obviously you want to be careful because there's always like those little hairs that you don't see. As you can see, all of the peach fuzz. Okay, taking a quick little break from the pamper routine, I wanted to mention one of my favorite things to do at the end of my pamper routine is put on a fresh pair of my favorite PJs. These ones are from Tommy John. Shout out to them because they are sponsoring today's video. These PJs are so incredibly soft, but not only that, they're very lightweight and like breathable on the skin. Also, not to mention, these are perfect on the bump. They are not maternity PJs at all, but they fit perfectly on the bump. The band is so thin and light that there doesn't feel like anything is grabbing onto my belly. So that's really good. Pregnant or not, I don't like any elastics grabbing onto me. So I love this elastic band. It also comes with pockets, like hello, I love that. If you are looking for the perfect Valentine's Day to get someone else, get a friend, or get yourself and spoil yourself, this is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. They have everything from lounge sets to PJ sets to bras and underwears. I'm actually going to show you guys the set that I got as well. Coming on here to say that this is their new comfort smoothing triangle bralette, and they basically designed it to give you the best lift and shape but still that smoothing comfort, and I can 100% say it is so comfortable. I have been living in it. So of course I have a discount code for you guys. You can actually get 20% off Tommy John plus free shipping using my code Amy Macedo. I'm going to leave the link down below, but let's go ahead and resume with the pamper routine now. So I'm actually going to take out my facial steamer. I love a good facial steamer during my pamper routine. It just kind of like softens up anything that's in your pores, and you can really help to like extract everything. So that's what I'm doing here. So this tool is actually not pregnancy safe. So I do not have it turned on. I'm just using it for like the spatula effect. And as you can see, it really like scrubs everything out of your nose. So I love this thing. If you're not pregnant, definitely turn it on because the vibrations help a lot. And then I'm just extracting some blackheads. You guys know I love these little blackhead extractors. Definitely don't use them too often because you don't want to scar your face or anything, and you want to be as gentle as possible. That's why opening up and loosening up those blackheads with the steamer is really important. So I got these for Christmas from my sister Jessica, and they're so good, you guys. They're so relaxing. This one I believe smells like peppermint. It's just so relaxing in the shower. So you just set it down and it just steams up. It's basically called like a shower steamer. So it's like the shower version of a bath bomb. So I'm just wetting my hair, preparing for shampoo. I've been using Function of Beauty for literally years. This isn't sponsored by them, but I just love them. So I am just literally lathering that into my roots directly. You guys know I only wash my hair once a week, so it's really important to have a shampoo that really removes everything, and this one does the job. And I always use a hair mask, but I'm so mad because I didn't even realize that I ran out of my hair mask. So I did not have any hair mask for this video, but I just went straight in with conditioner and left the conditioner in extra long to kind of like overcompensate. So yeah, I'm just putting in some conditioner on the ends and all over, but skipping the roots. This foot scrubber, you guys, when I go get a pedicure, my nail lady straight up tells me like, oh, your feet are so soft. I feel like you don't even need a pedicure. Like she almost doesn't even need to scrub my feet because it works that well. So I always use that. And then I am washing my body. I love this body wash, and shaving. So I have had laser hair removal, but with pregnancy, it's really made my hair grow back a little bit. Not an extreme amount, but I do get hair now. So I do still need to shave. So I'm just shaving my arms, my legs, basically my whole body. I really don't like having body hair. It's just, you know, just is what it is. I don't like it. So I always shave everything. This exfoliating mitt, love it. This one is from Loving Tan, but you know, you can really get any as long as it has good like scrubbing factor, because some of them are too soft. This one is just perfect, and I'm just scrubbing my entire body. It really removes dead skin and makes your skin super soft. Now I am just rinsing out that conditioner. You guys, I cannot wait to get a haircut. My hair is so long, which I love the length, but there's like no layers. So it's just so long and drabby. But yeah, I can't wait to get my haircut soon. So lotion, I've been using this one for years, and it's a pregnancy lotion, and now I'm actually pregnant. I've literally been using it for years. Yeah, just literally lathering my entire body in this lotion. It's so good. But more importantly, of course, the bump and the belly. So stretch marks are genetic. I know that's like a huge thing. They are genetic, so I don't overly stress myself about, you know, making sure I'm always moisturizing the bump. But I do believe that moisturizing it does help because, you know, as your skin is stretching, you want to make sure your skin is hydrated. So I always put tons of lotion all over the bump. Now for skincare, I love this glycolic acid solution. I've been using it for years, and I just recently realized that it's pregnancy safe, so that's good. And I just basically use this 2 to 3 times a week. It really keeps my blackheads at bay and clears my skin. Hyaluronic acid, you guys, this is my secret potion. I'm telling you, I don't know if it's the pregnancy glow or if it's the hyaluronic acid. Like this stuff literally hydrates your skin and gives your skin that glow. It is so good. So I'm just pressing that in, and I am also putting it all over my neck as well. It's literally, this stuff is magic. I gifted so many people this for Christmas in their stocking stuffers. It's so good. So recently I've tried out this Willetta. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Skin Food. I think I got the light version, like for oily skin. I really love it. I love the way it feels. It does have a citrus scent that does bother me a little bit, but other than that, I do really love how it feels. And I do not use an eye cream anymore. I haven't used an eye cream for like a year. I just use like a moisturizer that's light enough to go under the eye so it's not super thick. Putting a bunch of lotion on my chest as well as my boobs, because you want to kind of lotion everywhere that you might potentially get stretch marks, and just in general lotion your entire body so it can be super soft. As you can see, I was feeling myself here. I was feeling so fresh and clean.
This Aquaphor, you guys, is magic for your lips. I've been putting this on every single night before bed, and I wake up with the softest lips ever. I also put them on my cuticles, and my nail lady has noticed how much less dry my cuticles are. This, I just wanted to show you guys, I didn't apply this in this video, but this is like my lazy girl, low maintenance tanning routine lately, is just putting on that Bondi Sands tanning lotion. It's so quick and easy. It's like a little lazy, quick way to get a tan without the whole mousse, you know, routine. Love this invisible hair oil, just putting on a couple sprays of that. It's also a heat protectant. This Olaplex is amazing if you're going to be blow drying your hair, or really just styling your hair, because it really keeps the frizz down. I have very frizzy hair, you guys, and this helps a lot. I'm not going to say it's like magic and it removes all my frizz, but it really does help with the frizz a lot. So I really do love putting a decent amount of that. And I put it on wet hair, but I am going to try next time to put it on like slightly dry hair, because it says that you can. So I am using my Revlon blow dryer, and a good tip is to use it on low heat. That helps to minimize the frizz as well. Ideally, you would actually let your hair dry, air dry a little longer than I did. My hair was pretty wet in this video, so ideally you'd wait a little longer. So I need a haircut really bad, and I'm also getting my hair dyed. So please ignore the gray hairs that you guys see. I've had gray hair since I was like 21. I need my hair colored so bad. But yeah, I'm actually getting a haircut soon with lots of layers to give my hair body. I really am overdue for a haircut. So I didn't even bother trying to do like a really nice blowout in this video, because like I said, I need some layers. So I just tried to do a nice, smooth, straighten blow dry with this. And I love this tool so much. It gives you a really great blowout as well. But like I said, I really don't have the haircut for it right now. So I really didn't try too hard. I just wanted to get a nice blow dry and have my hair nice and smooth and done. And this always does the trick.
All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my pamper routine. I cannot tell you how good I feel. Like, I just feel so fresh, so clean. Facial hair gone, blackheads gone, skin clear. My skin just feels so soft and smooth. My hair is done. And my favorite thing to do at the end of my pamper routine, of course, is just put on a fresh pair of PJs. It's just so cozy. So of course I am wearing my Tommy John PJs, which I mentioned I'm absolutely obsessed with. You guys saw in the earlier clip. So definitely don't forget to check them out. I'm gonna leave my link and my coupon code in the description box down below. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy just chilling with me and watching me pamper myself. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.